Hello, today we'll be going over how to really easily use the machine learning algorithm K-nearest neighbors. If you haven't already, I recommend you look at the previous videos to get a sense of what we're doing. So first we will import. So we've imported the package we need, and then just like before, we're going to be using these training and testing sets we already have created, and then we will make our model. So in this line of code, we're basically setting the model to look at the two nearest neighbors. And so for the nearest neighbors or KNN algorithm, generally the more neighbors you look at, then the increase in performance of the model. But just like before, that does come with some advantages and disadvantages. So next we'll fit the model to our training set, and then we'll I guess just store what our model will predict for our test set. Seems like oh, and yeah, so here we have just really simple code to utilize decision trees, random forest, and k nearest neighbors. Thank you for watching.